Meanings of the Holy Quran in English. A methodological restoration of the Quran's original divine lexicon and the Millat Ibrāhīm paradigm. Most readers assume that Quranic words must be explained through external dictionaries, historical commentaries. But what if the Quran itself preserves the semantic boundaries of its key terms? The Quranic Lexicon Curriculum, Millat Ibrāhīm, Unraveling Divine Terms Concealments, proposes a radical yet evidence-based approach, reading the Quran through its own internal language system. By analyzing the Quran's recurring lexical clusters and subtle cognitive cues embedded across its chapters, this work demonstrates that divine terminology The book challenges long-standing methodological dependence on 7th-century vernacular lexicons and inherited interpretive traditions that may have flattened or obscured the Quran's original semantic fields. Through a careful Quranic narratives and parables are returned to their native textual ecosystem rather than interpreted through speculative narratives or earlier scriptural tradition.